stay avevo delle 6 diciamo di la idea.
No, it's a like small double A but shorter one. Yeah. Yeah. Let me double check. I just pay for these two first. Then that one 90, 94. Alright. Thank you. Ada? Alright. Just came out from GMBB tadi. Didn't expect the place is very huge with art class. Aku baru tahu tempat tu, baru je Google looking for film role for my film project. Oh, aku terlupa, the kids are actually back with us. See? Seorang lagi ada kat bawah kerusi tu, tak tahu apa dia buat kat bawah tu. And we're going to continue our journey. Welcome back to the chaos. And also welcome to 2026. We are here. Kita dah sampai kat Temerloh. This is my first time actually sampai ke Temerloh ni. And I don't have any expectation lah dengan tempat ni. So right now we are going to check in dekat our hotel. And after that we're going to maybe explore around. Maybe cari makan malam untuk malam ni. Okay, jom. So malam ni, this is our hotel. Bukan. That is our hotel, Big Tree Hotel. Oh, ada Suns Wellness Center. Ya. Booking nama Muhammad Agoda. Ya.
Ada di sini ada 50.
Okey.
Kelas nampak kan 3 ringgit 50. Ada 3 ringgit.
Ni ada list. We are here. Malam ni we book a family suite, which is quite big. And lepas ni kita akan pergi explore sedikit bandar Temerloh. Macam aku cakap tadi, this is my first time, so everything is new to me. Jom.
Apa dah? Nak salat dulu kah? Nak apa dah?
I already have a blankie, thank you.
Right now, kita nak dinner dekat Happy Fried Chicken.
Tak ada buat ni lah.
Apa signature kat sini Right now we are at Happy Fried Chicken. Aku tertarik dengan restoran ni. Dari luar nampak it's like an 90s punya KFC restaurant. And this is how the interior look like.
Hitam tu kan ada gelap yang putih.
And seriously, tempat ni vibe dia memang I feel like a 90s punya KFC. Oh, menarik. Our first food is here. Ini apa ni? Yong tau fu apa?
Yang tahu sup.
Yong tau fu soup. First time aku dengar yong tau fu soup. And makanan dia sangat flavorful. Dan aku pula order butter chicken, tapi kat sini dia panggil apa? Nasi pelantar. And okay pula dia order chicken chop. Noh pula dia tengah tunggu beef stick dia.
Beef stick dia.
Beef stick Australia ni. Suka main lagi. Patutlah nama kedai ni Happy. Memang happy lah makan kat sini. Kerana sedap.
Habis
So, kita tak sampai 10 minit.
Dan sangat cepat lah. Aku rasa tak sampai 5 minit order, makanan dah sampai. Very fast.
5 sangat.
5 sangat? Serius lah. Okay, jom kita sama makan. Nanti kita runda-runda teman-teman. Ya, dia berenang. Dia berenang.
Kau tak boleh nak berenang jauh.
Boleh, pergi tengok. Hi, and we just finish makan dekat Happy Fried Chicken tadi. Memang bagi aku, they already perfected their menu lah. So, if you come to Temerloh, I recommend you guys to go there. Sekarang ni aku berada dekat tepi Mungara Sungai Temerloh, Sungai Pahang ni. And we're going to take a look apa yang ada pada malam ni lah.
Pokok. Lampu bukan 10 tahun.
Tengok, umur pokok ni 110 tahun pada 2023. Sekarang dah 26.
Tak banyak.
Tambah lagi 3.
113.
113 tahun.
25 tahun.
爸爸有没有妹妹？拜拜。
Apa suntik?
Okay, kita dah selesai night walk dan dinner dekat Bandar Temerloh ni. And now we're going back to hotel. Aku nak conclude this episode. Cuma tak nak conclude kat sini sebab ada music dekat luar tu. Takut copyright. So, let's go back. Then we conclude this episode. Okay, as I promise, aku nak conclude this video. First impression aku bila datang ke Temerloh, it is a town that wasn't tried too hard. Somehow berada dekat Temerloh ni feels very satisfying. Aku rasa most of people know it for the food, ikan patin, tempoyak ikan patin, or maybe for the river just next to it. But somehow bagi aku, I will remember it for its own character. Tadi as soon as we reach here, kami terus check in kat hotel and went out untuk go have a look keadaan Pekan Temerloh ni macam mana. Dan bagi aku, it's a very peaceful little town. Walaupun tak banyak kenderaan, malam dia masih hidup lah dengan lampu-lampu yang ada and people hanging around by the river. And somehow food stall yang kecil-kecil tu, somehow it makes the place feels alive. Tomorrow will be something bigger. Tomorrow we'll meet some elephant, literally. But tonight, the 1st January of 2026, let it be gentle as Pekan Temerloh ni. Not big of adventures today, but it's quite a journey. Okay, thank you everyone. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.
Dah habis vlog hari ini sampai sini. Jangan lupa, jangan risau, jumpa lagi esok pagi.